Hi, everyone. Welcome to Three Things Live. Allison and I are here at Bluebird Chocolates in downtown Logan.
My favorite place.
I got to tell you, the smell is amazing. Oh my goodness, we are so excited to be here, and especially as we celebrate Valentine's Day, which is just around the corner. And we are so thrilled to have the owner of Bluebird Chocolates with us today, Justin Hamilton. Hey, Justin.
Hey, thanks. We're glad to have you guys here with us today.
Oh my goodness, we are so excited. So Bluebird Chocolates, I mean, to those who are local, everyone knows Bluebird Chocolates, right? You know, it's just kind of that name that is have been talked about for years.
The legacy here in Cache Valley.
It is. And tell us why. Why is
you know,
that?
I think Bluebird has been around for a long time. So it first started here in 1914. So
really?
The turn of the century, a lot of people were missing their treats from back home. And so people had immigrated from the United States. And by coming here, they wanted to have a little touch of their favorite treats here in Logan. And you saw this at lots of cities all across the United States. But Bluebird first started just down the street from us here on Center Street. And when it started, it had a small sandwich shop and they did chocolates. They remained in that building until about the mid-1930s. And then they moved into what's known as the Bluebird restaurant space, which is on Main Street. And then the candy continued to develop its own identity. And so shortly in somewhere between the mid-40s, mid-50s, it moved into its own space where the candy production took place out behind the Bluebird restaurant. And then the current space we're in, which is on Center Street, they moved in this building in 1963.
Wow. That is even before mine and your time. That's even before Justin's time.
And this building had a good history before. It was the Plaza Motel. It had been the Herald Journal. It had been a lot of things here too, but it has been the Bluebird since then. And it's kind of went through a major transition renovation. In 2017, we remodeled this space, mostly to showcase the true art of what Bluebird candy is. And luckily, Center Street has developed in Logan, and now it's a great place for food and entertainment. It's a great place to come and check out Bluebird candy and see all that we offer here in this space on Center Street.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, talk about an art. This really, I mean, you've perfected it. What do you think makes it so special?
So I think one of the first things about Bluebird candy is that it truly is an artisan product. So we always say that when you receive a box of Bluebird candy, it's usually been impacted by 5 different people. So we're going to take a tour today and look at some of these things, from the centers being made, whether it's the toffees or the soft centers or the caramels. Then it moves into our rolling room. Then it moves into a dipping room.
Wait a minute. Are you telling us that you make the toffee, you make the centers, all of that?
And it's all the original recipe since 1914.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited.
Should we go take a look?
Let's do.
Okay.
All right, Justin, we're back here, and wow.
You thought it smelled good out there.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
This is even better back here.
But what are we looking at here? This is incredible.
So we're in the kitchen. This is where it all begins. So we have a great team here at Bluebird, and we definitely couldn't do it without the legacy of the people that are here with us. And we have generations that have been involved in making the candies. Everything starts here in the kitchen at Bluebird. So it's the base ingredients of the same recipes that have been around since 1914. With the base ingredients that you see go into these amazing copper pots that make the centers. So every chocolate, everything that's dipped in chocolate is created here in this kitchen. Whether that be our soft centers, our caramels, our toffees, our brittles, all those things are created right here, and you're getting a little smell and witness of those things here today.
Doesn't it look good?
Yes. This is amazing. So why the copper pot?
So a lot of this is a science as well as it is an art. So I think one of the things that we've seen here is that the equipment that's been used has been used for generations. And so that helps us to get the correct temperature and the correct mixing that needs to work to make these chocolates to be consistent every single time. And that's what people want out of a Bluebird product, is a product that's been around since 1914. You want to make sure it's the same as that your grandma had it when she experienced it.
This isn't sitting on top of the stove like I do at home or in the microwave. I mean, we've got the fire going under here. We have the copper pot. I mean, this is just really a gorgeous setup.
And then here in the kitchen, you'll also see we have different mixers. We have cooling tables, a lot of different things that allows us to make the batches that are necessary for the production that we do. One of the things that, as we've continued to grow and expand Bluebird, has been able to take Bluebird not only from here in Cache Valley, but to start to take the product to different places, because kind of as the world's became more connected and known, as our products continue to grow as well. So since the building renovations, we've worked hard to improve our online presence, so being able to order, and we do ship everywhere. There are some seasonal limitations that come in the summer months, as you know, in shipping chocolate.
Sure.
We also have a lot of wholesale presence that we've worked hard to do as well. We have our chocolates in different grocery stores, different outlets throughout the state and in neighboring states. We also expanded a dessert line here in recent years, where we use our same chocolate to make different dessert options, which you'll see in different retail stores and things that we do as well. So
Right.
that's helped us to make not just a seasonal business that comes out of chocolate shops, but to be
Yeah.
a year-round business, which is one of our objectives that we try to do, is to make sure this great team is busy all year round and people can enjoy Bluebird no matter what month of the year it is.
Oh, I love that.
I know Elisa in customer care said that, and she's grown up here in Cache Valley, so she loves Bluebird chocolate. She said she got a couple of different brands for Christmas, and she's like, "There's just no comparison." She says we literally threw one box just out for the grandkids
Wow.
because it wasn't a Bluebird
It wasn't a
chocolate. So
Bluebird
if you
chocolate.
haven't tried Bluebird chocolate,
There you go.
you need to try a
That's
Bluebird
awesome.
chocolate.
And website makes it easy now. You can
Yes,
go.
it sure
And
does.
we also try with our social media as well to really show people the true love that goes into this product, which is what's so great about the show you have here today, is that you can see it's not just a box of chocolates. There's so much that goes into each one of these pieces of chocolates as they're made.
Oh my goodness. And speaking of, you have people here who have been here for years and years as well.
That's
right?
correct. Yep. As I mentioned, and we're going to have a chance to meet Krista here in a few moments in one of our other segments, but Krista's both mom and grandma have been here for probably close to 80 plus years. A big part of the history of what the Bluebird is. And so that's why I say it's not just about a product, it's about the people and the culture that makes it so unique and such a cherished thing of Cache Valley here is Bluebird candy.
Absolutely.
And kind of as you'll see when we look at the packaging, is the tagline is that Bluebird is for happiness, and that's really what chocolate should do, is it
my
should
gosh,
make you
yeah.
happy. So
Yes,
Done.
absolutely.
Done.
I love it. I love it. Does this not remind you of like a little I Love Lucy episode?
exactly.
I mean, I want to put the hat on and I want to start
I'm
eating the
keeping my
chocolate.
hands behind so I don't sample.
Exactly. Well, this is amazing. I mean, I'm watching Jessica here do this.
Yeah.
Tell us why she's doing it in this manner.
So this right here is called the enrobing machine. So this is a machine that allows us to be able to make our large production items like candy bars and the chocolates that have a larger production that we can do rather than all the hand dipped. So what she's doing is she's still adding that hand dipped element. So each
love
one of our
that.
chocolate has a signature marking on it, and she, with the touch of her finger, is putting that signature marking on each and every chocolate that's coming across the enrobing belt here.
my
She's an
goodness.
artist with her fingers.
She is.
She is. That's amazing. So I see the chocolate is getting, poured over and then it comes down and then what happens?
Yeah, so it starts with the tempering machine right there on the end. That machine tempers the chocolate to get it right to the right viscosity so that she's able to do these markings and have them not be too warm so they'd melt off or not be too cold so they don't set up. Once it goes through there, it does a top and a bottom coat on it. She adds the marking and then it goes onto the belt. The belt then goes into a cooling tunnel, and then it'll go through this cooling tunnel and out on the other end where it kind of gets a final inspection down here. This new machine came from Italy, and we got it just about 2 years ago, which greatly increased our production and our ability and consistency to be able to do a lot of things. So this machine's done a lot to be able to improve the quality of our production facilities here at Bluebird Candy.
This is amazing, but you got to have a Jessica to do.
But you still have to have a Jessica. That's the big part. That still makes Bluebird what Bluebird is the
Oh
people.
my goodness, I love
So
it.
what's in the middle of these?
Walnuts. So caramel walnuts is what they're making right now.
Wow.
So this is the centers that we saw on the trays right by where they're being
right.
cooked in the kitchen. This just came in and then it's been created into a chocolate.
Oh my goodness, this is incredible. And you know what? I never realized about the signature
Markings.
Markings. Yeah, that's neat.
So when we take a look at packaging in our next segment, you'll see there's a guide, and every guide will tell you what the signature marking is for every single chocolate that's made here at Bluebird, so that it's kind of like your guide to enjoy a box of chocolates.
Oh.
So no more going to your grandpa's.
You don't have to bite out of every single one and then
Right.
put it back in there.
That would be my grandpa. You would pick it up and there'd be a little pole poked in the bottom because he would only want the ones he wanted.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, this is great. Fascinating. Absolutely fascinating.